Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to demonstrate database management system lab exercise 2, and this is follow-up exercise of exercise 1. In this exercise we are going to discuss simple SQL queries. So in the last exercise we have created some table schemas, and in this exercise we are going to populate all the records and we are going to perform these SQL queries given in these questions. So let us see the txt file. Now here we are required to create populate the tables. So for inserting values, we are going to use command insert into. So first of all we need to write insert into, then the table name, customer details, then we need to write values. Values as a keyword, then we need to write this. So we need to write the column name one by one here, and or ampersand symbol we are giving so that we can enter value like this. So the query will ask you to enter the value of customer ID, then login name, the register, like that it will ask you to enter, and you can enter one by one. Another value is you can enter just by insert into customer detail values without giving and symbol. Here you need to enter the values. Instead of column name you need to enter the values, and these values will be inserted into the table. So to view the table you can use select star from customer details, and in this query the table which the recently populated will be displayed here. So like that we need to enter all the details on different tables. So like we are displaying the details for card detail 1, like select star. Now select star from price details and select star from bookings. So these three we are showing the table. Now next question is we need to copy the customer details table to a new table called cust info. So we need to create a table called cust info, and that we need to copy the details from customer details to this new created table. Now for creating the table we are using create table cust info, and the column name and the data type should be equal to the customer details so that the value can be inserted and both the tables should be compatible. Now for inserting or copying the details from one table to another table, we are using insert into cust info. This cust info is the new table that we have created recently. Then after that we will use select star from customer details. So it will select all the tables from customer details, then insert into cust info. Now next question is we are displaying select star from cust info, we are displaying all the values here. Now next question is display the distinct name of the customer. So we have to display the unique name. So for that we will use select distinct login name from customer details. So it will display all the login distinct name from the customer details. So here all the unique names are displayed and duplicates are deleted, or not shown, not deleted. Now next is show the registration for the current date in the booking table. So in this all the booking which are done on the current date will be shown. For that we are using select star from customer details, where register date equal to, we are giving a date. So here manually we have given 31 July 16. For that the booking which is done on this date will be selected. Now next question is list the register number of car which is green in color. For that the query is select registration number from car detail 1, this is the name of the table, where color equal to green. So after writing where clause we need to write color equal to green in single quotes. For that the registration number of the car whose color is green will be displayed in this next table. Now let us move on to the next question. The question says create a save point S1. For that there is a query called save point S1. So it will create a save point called S1 and it will save the table to that save point. So after everything you write will not be saved to S1, but before it everything will be saved to S1. Now let us move to the next query. It says update the table luxury as first class in car table. So it says to update the column name from luxury car to first class in the table car table. For that the query is update price details. So this is the name of the table, price details. Set car type equal to first class, where car type equal to luxury car. Okay, so we are updating the type of the car as first class to the luxury car. So as you can see, the table which has a luxury car here in the price detail is now updated to first class. So you can see here car ID 101 and 105, the car type is now first class. So the next query, we need to write remove the records for the registration made in the current date. So for that we will write delete from customer details where register date equal to 31st July 16. So the register date we are again giving manually, and all the records which is entered to this date will be deleted. Now the last query is the second last query is experiment how the transaction is recovered using rollback to S1. So lastly we have created a save point called S1. Now we need to roll back from that save point. So the query is roll back to S1. So first is rollback, then to, then the name of the save point, which is S1 in this case. Now the next it says rollback complete. Now the next query is display the luxury car annual income as annual income along with the car type from price detail. So just we need to multiply the monthly income into 12 to attain the annual income. For that the query is select base price per day. So this is per day into 12 as annual income and car type from price detail. So we have annual income and car type 2 columns, and this is the annual income. Okay, thank you.